This is April 18th. I'm feeding the fish, and the wild couple are over there eating. Everybody's behaving themselves. Here's my ducks eating. And over here is the odd couple. Call them the odd couple, wild couple. And over here is my polka dot. There he is, polka dot. I'm facing right into the sun, so it's kind of hard to see. And the time is about 9 o'clock. Seems to me that the wild female should be on her nest. But here she is eating. So she was here, oh, she could have been here continually. Let's see, about 6:30, 7 o'clock. They were here eating. And there was no quacking. But then my puffer ducker, oh, now they're going to get in the water. They're going bath. And there goes my Mr. Peepers over to tell him to get out, please. This is my pond. Stay away from my girls. The males are very protective of their females. Well, now Mr. Peepers is talking to... Oh, you know, this male female thing gets you in trouble sometimes. My water is all stirred up from fish laying eggs and ducks fighting. And I'm going to vacuum again today. So this is the update. Things are pretty calm here. It's just moment to moment. Puffer ducker is usually the most vocal. Nope, see, she's fine 1 minute, and then the next minute she's saying, get out of here. Woo! Anyway, they go back to the school, I guess.